We are doing a full car reset today, and honestly, the timing couldn't be better. It is 70 degrees out, the sun is shining, and it's not too hot, which means I won't sweat my face off while cleaning. My car's not disgusting, but she's definitely overdue for a deep clean and some TLC, so let's get into it. We're decluttering, vacuuming, wiping everything down, and giving it a much needed refresh. It is just covered in sand from the beach, so if you love a good clean with me or just need some motivation to tackle your own car, then you're in the right spot. First things first, we're going to start with decluttering. This is the part where I'm just clearing out random stuff, half-drank water bottles. I've got gummy bears, just weird stuff that I found, and a bunch of old random receipts and things that are just stuck under the seat. My mats are due for a good scrubbing. This is why I love being able to clean my car in the summer, because I can just put them out and spray them and clean them down, and I don't have to worry about anything. So after I vacuum everything out, I am going to take these mats on the side of my house with the hose and scrub them with some dish soap. Today I'm using my little shop vac. It is tiny. It is 2.5 gallon, and it is perfect for cleaning out your car or like your garage for tiny little spaces. Super convenient. I will link it down below. It was like $30 on Amazon. It might have even been like $20, but highly recommend it. It's got a ton of suction, and it is just so perfect for quick little cleanup jobs. I swear vacuuming the car is the most satisfying thing. Watching the crumbs and all the sand disappear, it's instant dopamine for me. The back wasn't too bad because I do have mats down, so it covers everything up mostly. But the way back, the third seat, I don't have mats. So you can see there was obviously a lot more crap back there to vacuum up. And these little inserts are going to get a bath too because they are filthy and covered in milk and grime. I can already see the comments about the socks and sandals. I have socks and sandals on because I am not going to show my feet on a YouTube video. Enough said. This pedal needs a good scrubbing. I normally just take like a baby wipe or a little bit of just water and a cloth and wipe it down, and it comes right off. The vacuuming is finally done. Step 3, I'm going to be cleaning my floor mats. So convenient when you have the hose, like I said earlier, just spraying them down. And then I just love using the Dawn dish soap spray and a scrubbing brush. It gets all of the crap off, and it's just so satisfying to see all of like the bubbles and everything come to the surface and wash off. All right, so I'm gonna rinse these down and then we are gonna let them dry in the sun and then move on to cleaning, like wiping down with the cleaner the inside of my car. And by the time I'm done with that, the mats will be dry and I'll be ready to just put them back, which is why I love cleaning my car in the hotter, warmer months. To clean the inside of my car, I'm gonna use the Armor All wipes and the spray. And this is where the magic happens. I wipe everything, every button. I try to get in every crevice, all the little weird spots that somehow there's grime and crap on them. And I tried to give you a bunch of different angles. It was not easy. I am not a professional filmer. I had like my phone and my regular camera, and it is hard to film in a tight space, not to mention when you like set up a tripod. I would go to clean and then my whole body would be blocking the shot. So I did the best I can. It is not easy to film in a car. This part is very satisfying. I get to put back everything that is very clean and all pretty again. The floor mats, and just do all of the final touches, cleaning in the back area where the kids get all the stuff. There was like crusted on milk, everything wiped right up. This cleaner is really good, the Armor All spray. I will link and list everything down below. And then also, these are technically towels, but they work like rags. We used them on the boat and it comes in like a big box. They're not the most practical because I do like to use a regular rag and wash it, but they work really, really well. And they're lint free, so you're not gonna have like the little particles everywhere. But I will put them down below in the description if you're interested. They're just perfect to keep in your garage. And I just want to give a huge shout out to car detailers because this is a lot of work. This is not easy by any means. It is a big, big job, and I'm not even really good at it. They get in there with like these tiny tools and these electric this and that, and they really go to town. It is incredibly detailed and invasive, and it's a lot of work. So if you do that job, kudos to you because I was dying. This was a lot of work. I'm so excited. It is finally time to put all the mats back, and then we're gonna head to the car wash because I do not have the energy to wash the outside of this car today. So I did the inside by myself. We're gonna go to the car wash. All right, get in, let's go. I love this car wash. So convenient. You just go through. If you have a membership, you go in the one lane, and if you don't, you go in the other. It's easy peasy, 1, 2, 3, and my kids love doing the car wash. Make sure to keep your windows closed unless you want to get absolutely wrecked. Okay, so that's a wrap on this car refresh. She's looking clean and classy, and I'm going to try to keep her nice. So I hope this gave you some motivation to clean your car. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.